What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another price action replay powered by Multi.io. So, Bitcoin and altcoins could remain range-bound for a few days as traders search for triggers that will start the next trending move. Crypto prices may be in a rut, but that doesn't mean product development and acquisition cease to occur. This week, Japanese financial firm SBI Holdings acquired a 100% stake in Taotao cryptocurrency exchange. With the latest acquisition, SBI now owns 2 cryptocurrency trading platforms. This suggests that the financial conglomerate is betting on an increase in cryptocurrency trading in Japan and is positioning itself to benefit from it. In other news, the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, believes that retail traders could lose money if they trade in cryptocurrency derivative products and exchange-traded notes. Therefore, the regulator has banned these products for retail consumers. At the moment, it seems that negative news is dominating the crypto sector and prices, along with investor sentiment, is suffering as a result. One positive is, with depressed prices at least, comes the opportunity to open new long positions. Let's take a look at the charts and see where opportunities exist. So Bitcoin is currently stuck in a tight range as seen from the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands. Previous instances of similar tightening resulted in strong trending moves. There was an up move toward the end of July and a downside break in early September. Although it is difficult to predict the direction of the breakout from the Bollinger Bands, the Relative Strength Index may provide some insight that is considered a leading indicator for anticipating price movements. Currently, the RSI is in a symmetrical triangle, which shows indecision amongst the bulls and the bears. If the RSI breaks and sustains above the triangle, it will signal a possible breakout in the price above $11,200. Conversely, if the RSI breaks and sustains below the symmetrical triangle, it will increase the likelihood of a retest of the critical support at $9,835. So, time to FOMO in and outs? Let's have a look. Up first, we have REN, a cross-chain protocol that allows for native blockchain tokens to move freely between the different blockchain networks. The REN protocol is made to be decentralized and blockchain agnostic, meaning it can support the tokenization of any asset between any 2 blockchains. The REN token is up 20% in the last 24 hours and 10% in the last 7 days. This has been a big recovery after REN was one of the worst hit DeFi tokens in early September when the market took a downturn. REN has had a few major announcements in the last week and its monthly development update that came packed with exciting news too. The first announcements are the listing of REN token in Coinbase Pro and Gemini. These are the first US exchanges and possibly largest to support REN, and it ensures that the token is compliant and will continue to have access to a complete world audience. The September development update showed that there's been substantial progress on the multi-chain. The multi-chain will allow new blockchains to be added to the protocol faster, and Phantom, Akala, Luna, Filecoin, Solana and Dodge have been confirmed for integration in the next major REN VM upgrade. Next up, we have Celsius, a centralized cryptocurrency lending platform with a global customer base. The company launched in a 2018 ICO in which they raised over $50 million. Today, Celsius supports over 20 plus crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, large cap altcoins, and every major stablecoin. The network token CEL unlocks better interest rates and loan rates for the users that stake the token in the centralized application. The CEL token is up 90% this week and an impressive 218% this month. CEL has become the best performing token of the month and was completely unexpected from a centralized finance project. In the latest Celsius weekly AMA, it was revealed that Celsius will be launching their own AMM liquidity pool exchange called CELSwap. The details included that CELSwap will be a fork of Uniswap but with lower transaction fees, CEL as a sole base pair, and 80% of the transaction fees will go to the CEL token holders. This latest AMA also came with the announcement that Bitfinex will allow their users to access Celsius lending products from their exchange platform. These 2 latest developments indicate that Celsius is building strong partnerships and entering the world of DeFi with the launch of their own AMM protocol. And last but not least, for our Buy the Dip shoutout, we have Serum, a decentralized exchange protocol that runs on the Solana blockchain. Serum aims to power a whole ecosystem of exchange products like order books, futures, liquidity pools, and synthetic assets. Serum is down 34% in the last week and down over 50% in the last 30 days. Since the market downturn in early September, the token has not found any price support and continues to break new weekly lows. In the last month, Serum has grown its community of hosted dexes on the protocol. There are now over a dozen live Serum dexes. Serum volume has also been averaging 300 to 500k a day, which has been translating to over 17,000 Serums being burned every week. Serum's community has also been upgrading the trading UI, incorporating order book charts that are only seen in centralized exchanges because of the speed requirements. All of these past developments put the project on track to being one of the most complete decentralized exchange protocols in the ecosystem. And on that note, thank you very much to everyone for joining me for another price action replay. I hope you're having a fantastic evening. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care.